Today on the Beam channel, I want to talk about something that's Erlang specific, unlike normally where I talk about stuff that applies both to Erlang and Elixir. And that is a parse transform called CT-expand. It's part of Ulfwinger's library of parse transforms. You can find them on GitHub at this link. Here's the thing. And CT-expand is a very simple parse transform. It basically runs a function at compile time and substitutes the result into your code. So let's see you have this code here, which is going to serve up the JavaScript produced by the Elm compiler. Put the JavaScript code in the priv directory for the application, and then you would basically, in the function elm0, you're going to load that file. You're going to return OK data, where OK data is just the contents of the file. Now, what you don't want to do is run that, load that off the disk every time a user requests it. That would be silly and wasteful. What you can do is use the CT-expand, like down here in the file, to CT-expand is not actually, it looks like a function, but it's not. It's a parse transform. There's a parse transform there, and you'd have to actually add the directive to do that at the top. And the parse transform is very simple. It says, okay, take the results of the Elm function, in this case, which is okay in that string, and just replace it here. So that file function now simply contains a ginormous string, which is however big the file and disk is, and it returns a reference to it when you call it. Now this has a couple of advantages. First of all, it's really fast because basically the Erlang runtime simply says, here's a pointer to this thing. Second of all, it's very memory efficient because if you have 1,000 clients all trying to get that one file, they don't have to each have a separate copy. They all have the same copy and it's ref counted. And actually it would never even be garbage collected because it would be in the code file. You can use this for a lot of other things too, and it is a rather nice trick when you want to have something that's just very fast and doesn't change. Only changes when you update a new version of the software. So when you run your app up, this would change, of course, but that would not be a very frequent component. So anyway, that's CT-expand. I hope this was useful to you. And if it is, please feel free to give me a shout below. There's contacts via Twitter, LinkedIn, and a Calendly link.